Welcome to all future of the India. Now we are going to discuss about the Coulomb's law. So first we will discuss a statement of the Coulomb's law. There is given on the screen. You can see. Okay. Then after we will discuss how we can derive the Coulomb's force formula between two charged bodies. Either we can say that between two charged particles. Now you can see first statement on the screen. So Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb's law, the force of attraction or repulsion between two charged bodies is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. They are having a two corner. First, attraction means they are telling that attraction, and second telling that repulsion. So first we need to understand how we can define that attraction nature, either repulsion nature. So see, let us consider you are taking one charged body like this one having positive, and at certain distance another charged body you are considering here negative, the certain distance having r. So one having that positive charged body and another having negative charged body, it means they will attract to each other. So telling force of attraction. Okay. Now next, repulsion means, see, suppose that you are considering here one is having that positive charged body and another also having positive charged body at certain distance. So it means both having same charge, it means they will repel to each other. Either you can better understand also, either you can consider this one having also negative and this one also having negative, they are having one certain distance r. It means it will also repel to each other. So now how we can derive this relation, what they are telling, how we can derive. So see, what you are going to do, first you are going to draw here one charged body and another charged body you are considering here negative at certain distance r. So let us see, you are telling this one q1 and this charged body you are just putting the name like this condition q2. So according to the statement, what they are telling, force of attraction either repulsion. Attraction, if they are telling, it means you are considering one body is a positive and one body is a negative. So attraction. And repulsion telling means you are considering force of repulsion means one body is also either positive either negative. This is also either positive or negative. Positive positive repulsion, negative negative repulsion. So according to this one, you can consider both situations, no problem, doesn't matter. Okay. So now, so q1, this one having that q2. So force of attraction either repulsion is directly proportional to the product either multiple of their charges. So now q1 into q2. This one's the equation first. And second telling force is always inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So they are having distance means r. So 1 upon r square. So like this you can write now. Okay. So now next what you are going to do, you are just removing this proportionality. We can remove, no problem, but now we are going to write combined. So combinedly if we are writing, so f is proportional to q1 q2 upon r square you can write. Now you can remove this proportionality. So you will apply one constant k into q1 q2 divided by r square. So this is a Coulomb's force formula between 2 point charges either between two charged body. Okay. Now next point, how you can better define. So first you can just mention what is a k. K is a proportionality constant. What having? Proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. So in proportionality constant, so what is the value of this proportionality constant? So you can write k is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. This is a value, not a value. It means formula like this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Then what is the value of this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square upon Coulomb square. So now you can place there. So now you can write here f is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 upon R square. So this is a Coulomb's force formula between two charged body, either between two charged particle. Till here you can write, you will get full upon full marks. But if you have time, either if suppose that you are thinking we need to write more things, okay na, so it doesn't matter, you can write till here, okay. After this they're having some note point, N-O-T-E, note. So what is a note point? Note point is a very simple. First note point, if suppose that you are writing here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to, you are writing 9 into 10 power 9. So if suppose that you are writing like this condition, so what you can consider here, either you can write also here 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to, you can write here, what you can write 1 upon 9 into 10 power 9. Here if you are writing that unit Newton meter square upon that Coulomb square, so here you can write here, what you can write here Coulomb square upon Newton into meter square. After this, see, so now suppose you are finding that epsilon naught, so you can write here 1 upon 4 pi into 9 into 10 power 9, and when you will solve completely 1 upon 4 pi into 9 into 10 power 9, then you will get 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 Coulomb square upon Newton into meter square. So this is the value of the epsilon naught. So what is the epsilon naught? You ask na, sir, what is the epsilon naught? So epsilon naught means absolute permittivity, either you will say that permittivity of free space. This is the permittivity of the free space. We can consider here permittivity of free space. This is the height. Okay. So now next note point, if you are writing here, so next note point, note second, if you are considering here like this, so what you can write here, dimensional formula. So dimensional formula of the epsilon naught means you can just write the dimensional formula of this unit. So now dimensional formula of the Coulomb square divided by dimensional formula of the Newton into dimensional formula of the meter square. So finally you can write here epsilon naught is equal to here Coulomb. Coulomb means A into T. So AT, so it means square divided by Newton means unit of the force. So force means MLT minus 2, and meter square, meter means length, like this L. You can just write here L, you can write here L square. So now you can solve. So epsilon naught, it means dimensional formula of the epsilon naught. So you can write here A square T square divided by ML cube T minus 2. So L and L square, you can write L cube. So now you can write epsilon naught is equal to, you can write here, you can just put upside. So now M minus 1, L minus 3, T minus 2 will come upside, it means positive, positive, positive. So you can write T4 into A square. So this is a dimensional formula of the epsilon naught. So like this condition you can consider, doesn't matter, in some another different books when you are just searching, so according to that in some book there is a written in place of A I. So don't worry, okay. So this is a final calculation of the Coulomb's law. So these points I discussed. If you have any query, any problem, so you can make the comment below the comment box. Either you can join our WhatsApp group and you can share your problem from there, either you can take online class from there. So best of luck. Okay, we will see you in the next video, and thank you so much.